What's up, guys? Merry Christmas. Getting ready to get the truck ready for Christmas. I just wanted to let y'all be a part of that. We're gonna put a little sparkly wreath with some lights on it and a couple candy canes on the front, and we're gonna make it look in the holiday spirit. So let's get that done. We'll take this bug screen off because there ain't many bugs out when it's as cold as it is. So. Then I'll be able to attach everything to the grill. Sorry, I came down with a little cold since the last time I saw you guys. Something like that with the wreath in the middle. I think it'll look pretty good. Yeah. Grills are kind of a pain in the butt to attach stuff to, but we'll get it. Gotta get the big zip tie to turn. That's the problem. To come back out. Oh, almost got you. So there we go. I think it looks pretty good. So there's colored LED lights in here with a battery pack, and then there's white lights on each one of the candy canes with a battery pack. And we won't turn those on until nighttime, and we'll see what it looks like then. I'll make sure I get a picture of it, or I'll get some video of it while I'm rolling down to Florida. So yeah, cool. It looks good to me. Keep it festive, guys. I'm gonna put some lights across the top of the windshield in here. So I don't fall out and get hurt. Don't want to do too much, but we'll just do a little. Here, we'll attach it to the sun visor rod here. We'll kind of let them hang down so that way you can see them. I've never decorated purple for Christmas. This will be the first time. Maybe next year we'll do something special and decorate the whole outside of the truck with lights like I did the Peterbilt that one year. I I got some two-sided tape. I can stick the little control box right here. We'll just kind of do these across like this, kind of like some dingleberries. So we're doing a little something like this, guys. I got my lovely assistant, Mrs. Claus, over there helping me. She's filming for you guys. We just thought we'd do a little something for Christmas. Something Christmassy. Oh, shit, am I out of zip ties? I think I might have run out of zip ties, guys. Just attach it here, click the visor back in, and that should hold it just fine. I think next year we're going to try to get purple into the Woodstock parade, our little local parade. And really don't want that dangling like that. You get that big zip tie. That one dangling light would drive me nuts. Over here swinging. Just a swinging. What are you laughing at, Mrs. Claus? Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. It's Christmas in purple, guys. Let's see if I got some two-sided tape in here. Yep. Did I bring those scissors? Got my scissors, but I always keep the pocket knife handy. Yeah. Getting old. Make all kinds of weird noises when I climb around inside here now. Like I said, guys, excuse my cold. It's more like sinuses, but it's probably some kind of little sinus infection. As I drip. Stick this little control box up here. There we go. We got lights, guys. I'm gonna get the scissors and clip all these tails off, and I think we'll be in business.
Merry Christmas from Don's YouTube channel.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!